Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to do now this video, must watch the video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. Yeah, Terminator Zero anime series. The upcoming anime series will be executive produced by Skydance Japan Animations Studio Productions IG and creator Mason Tomlin. And Tomlin, who will serve as the showrunner and writer for the series, previously wrote Project Power starring Jamie Foxx and Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Netflix, and is currently writing the Batman second. Anyone who knows my writing knows I believe in taking bit swing and going for the hard. Tomlin said in 2021, I am honored that Netflix and Skydance have given me the opportunity to approach Terminator in a way that breaks conventions. In Japan, Malcolm Lee has been developing another AI system that is intended to compete with Skynet as Judgment Day approaches in 1997. Lee finds himself and his three children pursued by an unknown robot Asians. A future war has raged for decades between the few human survivors and an endless army of machines. 1997, the AI known as Skynet gained self-awareness and began its war against humanity. A warrior from a post-apocalyptic future travels into 1997 to protect an AI scientist being haunted by unfailing and indestructible cyborg. Terminator Zero, originally known as Terminator, the anime series, is an upcoming science fiction actions anime series developed by Mason Tomlin and set in the Terminator universe. The 8-episode show was produced by Netflix by Animation Studio Productions IG and Skydance Televisions under the directions of Marshall Kudo. It is based on the Terminator franchise created by James Cameron and Gary Engelhardt. On Judgment Day, everything will change. Until then, you can get ready for the end of the world by watching the apocalyptic face melting trailer for Terminator Zero, the 8th episode anime series coming to Netflix August 29, featuring the video of Timothy Olyphant, Russell Johnson, and Holland, Sanu Museum, and Annie Dowd. See above. In Terminator 2, the Judgment Day, the Arnold Scavenger led highest grossing film of 1991. It's revealed that August 29, 1997 is the date that the artificial intelligence network known. In Terminator 2, the Judgment Day, Terminator Zero created an executive produced by Mason Tomlin. Project Power, the Batman second, will be the part of the Terminator universe but will center on character we have not met yet. Keep reading if you want to live or if you want to know everything there's no to so far about Terminator Zero. What is the Terminator Zero anime series about? A future war has raged for decades between the few human survivors and an endless army of machines. 1997, the AI known as Skynet gained self-awareness and began its war against humanity. Caught between the future and this past is a soldier sent back in time to change the fate of humanity. She arrives in 1997 to protect a scientist named Malcolm Lee, who works to launch a new AI system designed to compete with Skynet's impending attack on humanity. As Malcolm navigates the moral complexities of his creations, he is haunted by an unrelating Asian from the future which forever alters the fate of his three children. I was looking at the franchisee at the first two movie in the particular Tomlin tells Tudum, and why are we still talking about the franchisee 40 years later? You strip away killer robots, you strip away Judgment Day. What do you have left? You have stories about family. Timothy Olyphant justify Deadwood as the Terminator. Some things about the Terminator have not changed. The Terminator is still out there, is still cannot be bargained with. It can be reasoned with it does not feel pity or remorse or fear. And it absolutely will not stop ever until you are dead. Yet, as Tomlin tells Stedham, these incarnations of the Terminator and Oliphants. Interpretations is not like any we have seen before. It feels fresh and new and wholly its own thing. Rosario Dawson Ashoka Common Ground as Kokura, an advanced AI and Japan answer to Skynet if brought online. Kokura will be endowed with the same power as Skynet. Kokura must calculate for itself its humanity, the plague Skynet believes to be it too. Netflix has dropped the official trailer for Terminator Zero, its upcoming animated franchise reboot. The series premiere on Judgment Day, August 29, the same day in 1997 as revealed in Terminator 2 Judgment Day, that the artificial intelligence network known as Skynet becomes self-aware and usurps its human masters, leading to an all-out war between humanity and machines. The end of the world comes tomorrow. A dire warning here in the trailer. A scientist Malcolm Lee tries to save the world. Watch the latest trailer, the previous release teaser trail below. Hailing for Japanese animations studios productions IG Ghost in the Shell, the 8-episode series will be part of the Terminator Z universe but will center around new character. It will be the first ever iterations of the franchise to be animated. Premiering August 29 on Netflix, Terminator Zero takes place across the two timeline 2022. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your press. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe. The series come from Madsen Tomlin, a writer, The Batman Second. Thank you.